Hi everyone, this is Sandy Created the Heart, and I have a haul for you guys. A couple random hauls, as well as a very small Tuesday morning haul, and let's see, Peachy Cheap haul. What else do I have? And a Stamps Alive haul. So let me go ahead and get started. So the Peachy Cheap, this is an older one. I had this for a while, but first chance I've had to go ahead and film it. If you really like crepe paper, if you follow Peachy Cheap and just kind of check in every once in a while, you can get some good deals on their product, crepe paper product or American Crafts product. So they had the Lala Love, which I did not get. Some people got really lucky getting it Tuesday morning, but this particular Peachy Cheap deal came with the 6x8 paper pad. It came with this sticker sheet. So you got word stickers, and then you've got hearts and XOs. It came with these cute puffy stickers, and then it came with the ephemera. I want to say that it was $9.99 plus shipping. So I did get that. I was excited to get that. And then I ended up with two of these. So one of these is going to go in a giveaway. But I did get this Thinlits Fold Along by Jen Long, this cute camera. Hope to cut that out for you guys soon. It's very, very cute. I saw Bona from Live Love Scrap. She had done some things with that. So I got that. And then let's see. Oh, let's go into my Stamps Alive. So those of you who don't know, her name is Terry. She runs an online kind of a scrap store, and it is on Facebook, and it's called Stamps Alive. So she has pretty good deals, and she goes out and she can get some things for you that you're looking for, which is kind of what she did for me. So I got the Magical Adventure 2 by Echo Park. Even though I have no plans to go to Disneyland anytime soon because it's going to be a nightmare with the Star Wars opening. And it's just been so crowded lately anyways, just crazy. But I'm hoping to take my children to actually Disney World in a couple of years. And plus, I have so many pictures because I grew up in Anaheim and I live very, very close in the city right next to Anaheim. So I have tons of pictures. But so I always buy the any of the collections. This one's really, really cute. I really like it. So I did get that one. And then I also got the Lost in Neverland. I just couldn't help myself because it's just so adorable. I got the 12x12 paper pack, and this is also from Echo Park. I got the 6x6 Lost in Neverland paper pad. And I got the Magical Adventure 2 6x6 paper pad. And then I got this one, which is the mermaid one from Echo Park. I don't know why it's got this thing on there, but that one's really, really cute. So I did get that. And then I got the French Kiss, which I already had, but for some reason, I guess I told her I wanted it. So I did get that. And then I got some doodle bugs. So I got this doodle stamp set, which is called Flower Girl, along with the dies. I also got You're Sweet, along with the dies. And then I also got Oh Boy, along with the cute dies. And then I got a couple stencils. I got this one from Tim Holtz. Now, these are ones that are designed for you to be able to like move the stencil over so you can get a complete image. So I got that one, and then I got this one, and then I got a whole pack, excuse me for the noise, I got all of the new Julie Nutting. So I got this one, which is called Travel Girl. Very, very cute. It's a smaller sized girl, so she'll fit really nicely on a card. I got this one, which is Imani. And then I got Kyoko, which is funny because Kyoko is actually my daughter's middle name, but she spells hers Kiyyoko, or that's how I spelt it for her, which is, I guess you could spell it either way because she does have a little friend at school whose name is Kyoko, oddly enough. And she spells it the same way that Lily spells her middle name, with the Kiyyoko. But anyway, really cute. I need to get that one. And then I got Gabriella and Madeline, which I love. So then moving on into my Tuesday morning haul. And of course, when I went, they didn't seem to have a ton. And I'm much more selective on what I get because I just have so much stuff. So I did find the Gal Meets Glam. And I can't remember if I even got this one yet. I don't think I did. But this one is $2.99 and the number is 2074204. Really cute. I got this stickers. I liked this one. This one's called Horizon. It's $2.19 and it's 2122395. And it's double-sided. I just like kind of the colors in it. And then this stickers, which is a puffy sticker. I really love these because I like to use these on like, scrapbook pages in my little monthly journals and things like that because they're not super puffy and they just have really fun words. $2.19, 2122394. That's that one right there. And then I got two Echo Park kits. This one is Happy Birthday. And this one is a 2017, so not really that old. And I actually have never had this one, which is why I got it. They had the Happy Birthday that I already have had, so I prefer to get ones I don't have. 2081395, and it's $5.99. I love that one's really cute. And then I had gotten the Once Upon a Princess. They finally had the Once Upon a Prince, which is the boy version. This one is $5.99, 2081388. So this one's very cute. I love like the books and the dragons. It's very cute. Really fun. Even if I didn't do like a boy album, I could definitely do some other fun things with it. So anyway, thank you for watching. That's my haul. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.